Hola! Bienvenido! This is the Daily Word Builder and we're working on the word AHORA, which means now. This is the last one in this little week. So we're on Página 110 if you're using the Language Learning Journal, where I got these from. This is by Dan Hall and it's an excellent learning support resource. Desde means from. Okay, so you can have from a point in space, desde arriba, from above, or desde abajo, from below. See? Or you can have a price, por ejemplo, desde 10 euros, desde $20. See? Or you can have from when, desde cuándo, desde el lunes, from Monday, or desde ahora, from now. And it's quite nice, it's nice to say, it's got ritmo, it's got melodía, desde ahora, desde ahora, desde ahora. That's up to you whether you say that, but it is great for resolutions. And what are we going to make resolutions about if not about aprender, which is to learn. Aprender español. See? So think about why you want to become fluent en español and then let me help you with that. Desde ahora. So desde ahora aprenderás, you will learn una palabra, which is one word, cada día, which is every day, or más. See? Now you might want to put that in the first person. You might want to say, from now I will learn. And that is like this. Escucha. Desde ahora aprenderé una palabra de español cada día. Now that is a lot more than one word. So try and learn it. Try and put it into practice by subscribing and coming back mañana. Hasta mañana o hasta la próxima. Adiós.